Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 31st, 2025, and we're diving into LyondellBasell's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. LyondellBasell, a leader in the global chemical industry, has just released its Q3 2025 earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack, from their financial performance to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. LyondellBasell reported sales and other operating revenues of $7.727 billion for the third quarter. However, they also reported a net loss of $890 million. John, can you explain these figures?
Absolutely. The revenue of $7.727 billion reflects a slight increase from the previous quarter, but a decrease from the same period last year. The net loss of $890 million is primarily due to significant non-cash asset write-downs, totaling $1.22 billion. Excluding these identified items, the company actually posted a net income of $330 million, translating to an adjusted EPS of 101, which is above the analyst forecast of 80.
That's quite a turnaround when excluding those items. How did their cash flow look this quarter?
LyondellBasell generated $983 million in cash from operating activities, showcasing strong cash conversion at 135%. This indicates efficient management of their operations despite the challenging market conditions.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, LyondellBasell has been focusing on operational efficiencies. Can you tell us more about their strategic initiatives?
Certainly. The company is making significant strides with its cash improvement plan, aiming to deliver $600 million in 2025. They've also seen operational improvements, particularly in their Hyperzone PE and Channelview PO/TBA facilities, which are exceeding benchmark operating rates. Additionally, the sale of European assets is moving forward with regulatory approvals, which is a positive step in their portfolio transformation.
And what about their outlook for the coming quarters?
The outlook remains cautious. They expect year-end seasonality and lower operating rates to impact results. However, they are optimistic about the midterm outlook due to global capacity rationalizations and strategic cost reduction initiatives.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 80 cents. How did LyondellBasell perform in this regard?
LyondellBasell exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $1.01, which is 21 cents above the forecast. This beat is significant, especially given the challenging market conditions and the substantial write-downs they faced this quarter.
What does this mean for investors?
This EPS beat indicates strong underlying business performance and effective cost management, which should instill confidence among investors despite the headline net loss.